Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Pound USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending four stocks for 3rd March 2021, Wednesday only. So this video is for Wednesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So the first stock for the day is Tesla, and you can see that I'm using the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can see that there is a resistance available at 725. Tesla tried yesterday also, it failed and ultimately closed at 686. Day for yesterday also, it opened at 690, made a high of you can see almost 870. It made a high of 870, but there was some heavy selling pressure. We cannot ignore this big long wick. Okay, and ultimately closed below this resistance. So this 720 is a very strong resistance for Tesla right now. So if you find this stock, okay, if you find Tesla today below 686 level, I mean below this level, you can again short the stock for a target of this 663 or 662. Okay, short, you can short the stock if you see that there is still some good selling pressure, sellers are still dominating the market. You can short Tesla for a target of 662 or 663. Okay, so the second stock for the day is Mastercard. Again, you can see that Mastercard has made a spinning top kind of a pattern yesterday, and day for yesterday also it has made a spinning top kind of a pattern. Price rejection from both up and down, and there is a resistance at 366 level, and right now Mastercard is trading at 362 level. So we know that spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that there is an indication going on in the market. So there we do not know whether market will move. Okay, so what should be a strategy for Mastercard? If you find a stock below the stock trading between 366 and 358, then this is your no trading zone. Okay, buy only above 366.5 and sell below 358.8. So if the stock opens gap up, okay, if it gives a gap up opening opens above 366 level, then let the stock trade for at least 30 to 40 minutes above 366.5 level. Let the stock feel comfortable above the daily resistance level. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only initiate the buy order. And if the stock opens below 366.5 level, and if it gives a breakout also, okay, then also let the stock trade for 30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, let the stock feel comfortable above the resistance, okay, then only buy, otherwise wait. Similarly, if you find a stock trading below 359 or 358 level, and if you see that there is some good selling pressure on the market, okay, then you can short the stock. So the next stock for the day is Abbott Laboratories. For Abbott, you can see that overall the trend is very nice for the stock. There is no doubt. Okay. So what should be the strategy for the day? Okay. Yesterday it almost closed at the daily resistance. Okay. So the we need to look out for this. Okay. Mainly this level. Okay. If you find a stock today trading above 123 level, okay, then it's a buy. Okay. If you see that the stock is trading beautifully, comfortably above 123 level, then you can initiate the buy position. Okay. Otherwise, if you find a stock between this 121.3 to 123 level, then it's a no trading zone. Okay, only buy above 123. Okay, if you find the stock above 123, it's a good buy. Okay, so these are the four stocks where you can take trade today. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much, and if you have found the video informative, then please give a like and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring video just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you can make money from it. So please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.